This apple contains carbohydrates. It has some starch, fiber, and it has glucose. First, we ingest the apple. As we chew it in our mouth secretes the enzyme salivary amylase. Salivary amylase begins to digest the apple by breaking down the starch in the apple into shorter polysaccharides. Remember, polysaccharides are chains of sugar units. So you can see here that this long chain of glucose units or other sugar units is broken down into a shorter polysaccharide, and this is what salivary amylase does. Next, we swallow the chewed apple or bolus, and it goes through our esophagus into our stomach. In the stomach, no digestion occurs. Salivary amylase from the mouth is inactivated. Now, the bolus moves to the small intestine. The pancreas secretes pancreatic amylase into the small intestine. Then the enzyme pancreatic amylase further breaks down the starch into shorter polysaccharides, disaccharides, and monosaccharides. Disaccharides are made of 2 sugar units, and monosaccharides are made up of 1 sugar unit. The apple's resulting monosaccharide is glucose. Now absorption takes place. The small intestine has microvilli on its lining. Monosaccharides move across the microvilli into the bloodstream. In this case, glucose from the apple is absorbed into the bloodstream from the small intestine. This apple also contains fiber, mainly in its skin. The fiber from the skin does not get digested or absorbed in the small intestine. It moves from the small intestine to the large intestine. Some of the fiber is broken down by bacteria to make fatty acids and gas. Other fiber is excreted into our feces.